23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
60. How old are you, Rebecca?
I have 9 years old.
How old are you, Dolphins?
I'm 9 years old.
Do you see the difference? Tu vois la différence? Entre réponse par là, réponse par là? Okay, Dolphins, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Rebecca, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Tu vois pas la différence encore?
Oui.
What is the difference? C'est quoi la différence?
You say I am and I say I have.
Exactly. So when you talking about age, you don't use the verb to have. On n'utilise pas le verbe avoir. So how old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Can you ask Dolphins how old he is?
How old are you, Dolphins? I'm 9 years old.
Cool. What's your mother's name, Rebecca?
My mother's name is Antoinette Fools.
And you, Dolphins, what's your mother's name?
Darling.
No, a whole
My,
sentence.
my mother's name is Navoli.
Okay. How old is your mother, Rebecca? Do you know?
No.
How old is your mother, Dolphins? Do you know? How old is your mother? Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. Do you have a pen, Rebecca?
Yes.
You have a notebook too?
Yes.
You have a pen, Dolphins?
Yes.
You have a notebook too?
Pen.
Yeah, pen.
Yes.
You have a notebook too? Notebook, yes. So, you know what I'm asking you guys to do? While watching this cartoon video, en regardant the video, I will ask you guys to write what you hear. Écris ça, nous entendez. Don't worry about mistakes. Pas faire faute, pas faire faute. Don't worry. Et tout ça, nous sentis, nous entendez, nous comprendre, nous understand. Write it down, okay? Écris, d'accord? All right. So now we can start the video. The video, Rebecca? Okay. System.
System. Corners.
You can now stop what you're doing. Take one, Dolphins. Take one. Rebecca, take one. Dacindy, take one. Can you read yours, Dacindy? Yours is what?
What is the name of your school?
Can you read yours, Dolphins?
What is your favorite fruit?
Can you read yours, Rebecca?
What did you drink this morning?
Good. Now, Dacindy, can ask Dolphins the question.
What is the name of your school?
Use his name in the question. Use Dolphins' name. Utiliser nom Dolphins.
Dolphins. What is the name of your school?
Can you answer, Dolphins?
My name of my school is.
The name.
The name of my school is.
Okay. Yes. What is your question? Can you ask Rebecca the question, Dolphins? What is it?
What is your favorite?
No, you have to use Rebecca's name.
Rebecca, what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is watermelon.
What is your favorite fruit?
Watermelon.
Good. So now, Rebecca, what's your question?
What did you drink this morning?
Now you have to ask Darcendi the question and use Darcendi's name in the question.
Darcendi, what did you drink this morning?
This morning I drank water.